For The Street in New York, I'm Jill Malandrino with your week ahead, but let's take a look at what happened for the week of February 17th. It's very reminiscent of what we traded in 2013, that panic buying. Let's take a look at a stock like Facebook, for example. Traders and investors were questioning that $19 billion valuation for WhatsApp, but what happened to the stock on after hours on Wednesday? Sold off a touch. Actually went green on Thursday and trading just a little bit in the red on Friday. So you're seeing that rush into panic buying. A lot of PMs have a lot of cash on the sidelines and they may need to look at getting in now, because if we continue on this uptrend, it might be too late. But let's look at the week of February 24th, because the question here is emerging market volatility. Outside of the uptrend, that's what traders have been focused on. What happens when the Olympics are over on February 19th? Could Russia potentially make some moves with the adversity going on in Ukraine? That's a big question in trading circles that we will need to focus on. But what's on the calendar already ready to go? We have a lot of economic data on tap, including pending home sales, new home sales, Case-Shiller. We have a slew of Fed presidents talking next week, a lot of regional Fed surveys. Of course, we have jobless claims on Thursday, so we'll see some volatility around that. Earnings, even though only 42 S&P companies are reporting, or only 8%, it's all going to be focused in the retail space with names like Home Depot, which is housing and retail, Penney, Macy's. Those are some pretty volatile names, Penney in particular. And the big question here is going to be, is management going to make this another kitchen sink quarter and blame it on the weather? And we also have a ton of sell-side conferences. We'll have a lot of headlines next week. It's not going to be quiet just because earnings are winding down. For The Street in New York, I'm Jill Malandrino with your week ahead.